Hi trader, this is Mario from Forex Other Way, the channel for traders run by a trader. Have you ever wondered why market turns after an odd number of days or sessions, an odd number of candles, such as 19 or 31, 47, 131, with no regularity whatsoever? There is an explanation. In this video I will show you a very simple method showing you how to determine potential turning points on the market using square of 9 used by WD Gann, and no calculation needed, very simple and very efficient. So watch this video carefully. At the end of this video you will know everything. Let's start the rock and roll. So in front of me I've got a square of 9, exactly square of 19. This is up to 331, and if you don't know how to build it, or if you don't know how it works, I recommend you to watch my other videos. You'll find them over here in the corner, and check it out and learn how to do it. Now I want to explain you what you need to do to get the right start of your measurements. So it goes like that. As you see, we got cross over here, which is very important number, and diagonals, which are also very important. The idea is to spot a number of days or a number of trading days which correspond to the numbers on those crosses or those diagonals. So, for example, if you got something like from the starting point, from the very bottom of the market, for example, if after 6 candles the market turns, after that you realize that after 19 candles market turns again, or maybe after 69 candles, you might presume that further on at 106, 151, 204, 265 or 334 market might turn. I'm stressing it. It's not 100%. The market might turn. I will show you now one simple example how to do it. I got prepared already. I got prepared it cable. This is cable. That's all the cable since August 2019. So first thing first, we have to determine the lowest point of the market in the past, which is here. This candle, this funny candle, this hammer, which shows that the market made a low over here, local low. So we've got this one. Let's mark it over here. Let's mark it, and let's go further. Now look what happens here. It made a local top over here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It stopped at 7 candles. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and on 13th the market made a local top. We don't know what's gonna happen over here. Let's presume that we don't know prices, what's happening here further on from this point. Yeah, let's presume we are somewhere here. So how to predict what's gonna happen in the future? So we go back to the square of 9. Here we go. And as you remember, we had 13 candles over here, 7 candles over here, and at the moment we are trying to find where is 13. So 13 is over here, this one. So we might presume that on this diagonal, after a certain number of candles, market will return. So after 13, next turning point we've got opposite, which is 21, Next one is 31. Next one is 43, 57, 73, 91, treble 1, and so on. Up to, let's say, 183, because I checked it only up to that date, basically just to that date, but I'll tell you as well about 183. So keep it in mind, those numbers, 3, 13, 31, 57, and so on. All those numbers on this diagonal, I put it in the corner over here for a while, just to keep them in mind. Alright, so let's go back here. So 13 we got here. I make a line, so it's 13 days. Next one is 21 days, so it's 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's the next one, 21. We are somewhere in the local bottom. Next one is 31. So we had 21 over here is 22, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31. This candle, let's mark it. 31. Let's go further. The next figure is 43. So it's 32, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, 42, 43. We are on the local top again. Next now, 57. So 44, 45, 46, 47, 8, 89, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 47. We've got it here. That's the next one. Alright. Next figure is 73. So we got 57, 58, 59, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 71, 72, and 73. Very nice one, isn't it? Next one is 91. So let's number further. 74, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 91. This one. Lovely jubbly, isn't it? Next one is 111. I do it this way. 111 comes to over here. This red baby. So let's mark it. Here we go. Local bottom again. Next number, 133. From this bottom, 131, 32, 133. First candle of this waterfall, which happened on 10th of March this year. Next one is 157. Let's count it. It's somewhere here. I remember, where is it? 4, 5, 6, 157 is this candle. 157. Nearly the local top. As you see, it works. It really works. I'm telling you. What's the next one? The next one I made for you, special one, 183, which is, let me show you. I mark it here, 183. You might check it. Look, it seems to be 183 on 13th of May. So we might presume that on 13th of May, it will be a turning point a day before, or at that day, or a day after. It might be a turning point, but we got a rough idea between 12 and 14 of May. What happened then? I'm not going to talk about astrology too much, but I want to show you what's gonna happen on 12th of May. Let me show you. 9, 10, 11, 12. 12th of May, Saturn starts retrograding. A day after, Venus starts retrograding. 2 days after, 14th of May, Venus starts retrograding. 2 days later, a day later, Jupiter starts retrograding. Well, astrology, you may believe it or not, I assure you it works. If you don't believe it, just forget it. I show you one more thing, very important. In my last video, I told you about cycles in the market, WD Gann cycles, major cycle 60 years and the smallest one, 1/12 of 60, which is 5 years. So, if you take into account that 5 years cycle is extremely important, 10 years cycle is even more important. Let me show you. We are on 13th of May 2020. Let's check it. What happened in the past? Look. Here I've got, it's a weekly chart, it's the same one, GBP USD is weekly, and here we are on daily, yeah? So I went to weekly, I marked 10th of May, so the week when the week starts on 10th of May. So I made one line, and 5 years earlier, on May, roughly May 2015, is here. Look at this one. Is nearly the top of the market. On a daily chart, it looks even better. I'll show you. We got 2015. Where is it? That's the baby. 14th of May 2015. Look at this one. It's lovely, isn't it? So, in a couple of days, today we are on 30th of April. So, in a couple of days, we will be 5 years from this local top. Just keep it in mind. Okay, let's go further. Let's go to 5 years earlier, to 2010. Let's see how the market behaves here. That's the one. Is 13th of May. Is a local bottom, nearly local bottom. It's on a weekly chart. On a daily, obviously there's a different, because it's weekly, it's like 100 pips over here. Let's check it on daily one. So 2010, let me demonstrate it. It's roughly from the bottom, it's 300 pips. On cable, it's nothing special, but just as an idea, it's very close to the local bottom. If you look at this, it's over here. After all this decline of the market, it stopped right here on 13th of May, or 14th or 10th of May, whatever. So it was 2010. Let's go earlier. Here we go. 13th of May again, the market started falling. Again, local top was somewhere here. We are on a weekly over here. And the last but not least, again, 1st of June. So it sounds a little bit before 13th of May. Again, is somewhere near the local bottom of the market. Here on the monthly chart, you may see it much better. So bottom, just market started falling. Another bottom I've shown you here. Another top here. And here, we don't know yet. We're gonna see. Just check your indicators, check your predictions, check whatever's gonna happen, and watch carefully this one, because this method which I've shown you over here, using square of 9 and using those numbers, it's working very well. Also, it's working on days. I just made it here because, as you realize, we've got candles here. So the number of sessions, it's got nothing to do with days. But if you count it like here, when was that? That was the 3rd of September 2019 was local bottom on cable. And what happened here? It's something like 13. What date is the end? Let me check it. It must be a funny date here. What's that? This one is not showing. But what I know, I just checked this one from here to here. This was on 3rd of September 2019, and here was opposite. Here was 10 of March 2020. We are on daily. So it's 188 days from this bottom to here. And I just want to show you, because in days, 188 days corresponds to, it's over here. I made a line over here. So those days here correspond to the number of days. That's the way it is done. So if you check it out after 33 days, as far as I remember, or after 60 days, there was a local bottom from here. Let's check it. There is 33 days. It's here. Where is it? 33 days. Oh, I have to get rid of all those. Just give me a second. Just get rid of this one. And we will check it. What date is here? So here we've got somewhere like this bottom. Let's check it. It's 8th of October. So from here, from 3rd of September to 8th of October, it makes 35, 34, 33 days is something like local top. That's how I did it. So from here to here is 33 days, and this line is coming through 33 days and shows the next turning point after 94 and a half, 95 days, 137 days. You might check it, 188, 246, and so on and so on. So that's how it works, guys. Watch my other videos and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.